Just going to do another comparison today with the Remington 700p 338 per Magnum. We're just going to put the T4 Terminator brake on it and just shoot some different weight bullets. These are just all a grain or so under max. We got the 210 grain Barnes, they're doing about 3200 feet per second. A 250 grain Hornady, and that's doing about 2950 feet per second. And a 300 SMK that's doing about 2600 feet per second. So anyway, here's the 210 Barnes at 3200 feet per second. Here's a 250 grain Hornady at about 2950 feet per second. And here's a 300 grain Sierra at about 2600 feet per second. So that's where they all ended up there. There's a T4 Terminator brake there, 300 grain Sierra, 250 Hornady, and the 210 Barnes X bullet. So as you can see, there's quite a big difference in recoil between the different weight bullets. Thanks for watching.